Yeah, the next question, when we come back, we are still on the continuations of non-linear simultaneous equation. Okay, we are looking at the C part. We're looking at the, let's call it question 3. Okay, we have y equal to 3x. Y equal to 3x. Can you call that one equation 1? Then, the second one, we have y squared minus xy equal to 15. Call that one equation 2 also. Okay, this equation solve the following simultaneous equations. Y is equal to 3x and 2y squared minus xy equal to 15. Okay, so these are the two equations that we are given. So what do we do now? The best approach for this question of this non-linear substitution method will be the best approach to this question. Okay, substitution method will be the best techniques to use. Okay, so this one is y is 3x. So what do you do? What you do is that anywhere you see y, just plug in that expression. Plug in equation 1. Substitute equation 1 into 2. Substitute equation 1 into 2. That will be equal to 2. Your y is what? 3x. So that will be 3x all squared minus x times your y is what? 3x equal to what? Equal to 15. Okay, do the expansion. So that will be, this will be 2. This one will be 3 squared x squared. That's what? That's 9x squared. Then minus this one times this one, that's 3x squared equal to 15. Okay, so this one will be equal to what? This will be equal to 18x squared minus 3x squared equal to 15. So 18 minus 3, that's 15x squared. 15x squared equal to 15. So s squared is equal to what? 15 over 15. That's what? 1. So x is what? S is plus or minus 1. When you take the square root of s squared equal to 1, then square both sides, then you have plus or minus 1 for your x value. Okay, so in that case now, your coordinate will just be equal to your xy coordinates. Xy coordinates will be equal to when your x is 1, y is what? Y is 3 times what? 3 times 1. That's 3. When your x is minus 1, y is what? Minus 3. So that's your answer for that to that question. So that's the answer to that question. This one. We have x plus y equal to 9. Call that one equation 1. Then we also have x squared minus 3xy plus 2y squared equal to 0. Okay, so these are the equations we are given. So what we do, let's make x the subject here on equation 1. So x is equal to 9 minus 2y. Call that one equation 3. Then substitute equation 3 into equation 2 into equation 2 into 2. Okay, so that will be equal to, anywhere you see x, you put this expression there. So that will be equal to 9 minus y all squared, that's s squared. Okay, then plus 3 into bracket 9 minus y, then plus 2y squared equal to 0. If you do the expansion for this one, this will be equal to 9 minus y squared, that will be 9 squared, that's 81. Then minus 9 times y, that's 9y, times 2, that's 18y. Okay, then plus the last one, square, that's y squared. Okay, then plus 3 times y, that's plus 3y times 9, that's plus 27y. 3 times y, that's 3y, times this one, that's minus 3y squared. Okay, then plus what? Plus 2y squared equal to 0. Okay, so what we do now, this one, y squared plus 2y squared. That's 3y squared. Okay, then minus 1 here, minus 3y squared. Okay, followed by minus 18y plus 27y. That's plus 9y. Okay, and then plus what? Plus 81 equal to 0. So this one and this one we cancel. Okay, so we can now move. So this will be 9y equal to minus 81. So y is equal to what? Minus 81 over 9. And that's what? Minus 9 for y. So with that now, with this y equal to minus 9, then we can come back here and get the x value. So that will be, x will be equal to 9 minus, your y is what? Minus what? Minus 9. So minus 9. So that will be equal to what? 18. So that's the answer to that. So we can write our answer in the coordinate form, x comma y, that will be equal to 18 comma minus 9. So that's on that question.